Cell phone radiation causes cancer in rats, according to a newly released study from the National Toxicology Program, a division of the National Institutes of Health. The study was the most expensive ever undertaken by NTP, involving more than 2,500 rats, with the price tag of $25 million. Those rats were exposed to the same kind of radiation cell phones emit for 9 hours a day, every day, over a period of 2 years. Researchers found that male rodents experienced low incidences of two types of tumors, gliomas, in the brain, and schwannomas, in the heart, Yahoo Finance reports. It's unclear if female rats experienced the same issue or were part of the study. These results seem to support earlier findings from epidemiological studies that showed how cell phone radiation may cause cancer, which found the same kinds of tumors in humans. That led the International Agency for Research on Cancer to classify radiation as a possible human carcinogen in 2011. So what do these results mean? On the one side, there are industry leaders and others who say that evidence has shown cell phones don't pose any risks to human health, Fox News reported. But then there are scientists and some health officials who argue that more research needs to be done but point to available evidence as enough to suggest that there's a possible connection between cell phone use and brain cancer. That's enough to justify taking precautions when you're yapping away with your phone up to your ear, some say. This study in mice and rats is under review by additional experts, a spokesman for the NIH said. It is important to note that previous human, observational data collected in earlier, large-scale population-based studies have found limited evidence of an increased risk for developing cancer from cell phone use. For now, there will definitely be increased debate between the two sides on what exactly this study means for the average person, and whether or not something should be done as a result. The NTP's site says the results could be used by the Food and Drug Administration and the Federal Trade Commission in determining the best way to protect consumers from the potential harms of radiation that comes from cell phones. Mother Jones said the cell phone industry is likely to push back, stating that cell phone radiation does not cause cancer in humans, as wireless trade group TIA has said in the past that cell phones are totally safe. It's been on the front lines pushing back on laws in cities like Berkeley, California and San Francisco that would require retailers to notify consumers about the potential risks of using cell phones.